everybody, welcome to my channel. I have found out a way how to grind Gunfight Arena. Okay, so we shall join the server. So I have found out how to grind this. So basically, we need to find a map where there is like what do you call it again? Yes, capture point, like no, protect the hill one, the hill. Capture the hill, yes. Yes, that one. So, after that, you need to find, like, what was... Chill! Bro, sounds like... Okay, let's look at this and... This is gonna be the best one, so... Kaloka lagi akong pinapatay nitong lalaki to. Ano gagawin ko? Yan! Kaloka, pinatay na naman ako ng hunter. Napakalito. This means war. Tapaka mo ayoko pa man din gawin sa'yo to. Ayoko pa. Uy, ayos. Yan, side to kay Jacob. I-reference ko to kay Jacob. My friend. Napakabay naglagay ng tier. Napakay ko naglagay. Wawarakan ko kaya. Wawarakan ko. Napaka doon. Yawa! Nakakagalit. Galit na ako sa inyo Puro pro yata yung nasa server Random silence na. Ayun, nawarak. Napakaganda. Ito yung mga skins ko. Okay. Try ko muna. Ito. Huwag makakanotice sa akin. We have... Full slick sniper. Ayun. Ayun, naka-revenge na ako. Napaka nun, pinatay-patay. $71. Tapos, 4 pa lang ako, napaka. Kala mo si Hansel yung profile. PF doon ah. Napaka-hintay natin ba yung dumaan. Yun. 3 kill streak ah. Napakaganda. Napaka mo ha, ginagalit ninyo ako ha. Sige, lalabanan ko kayo. Napaka mo. Una, chill guy ako, ginagalit ninyo talaga ako ha. Ginagalit ninyo talaga ako ha. Sige, tatamaan ko kayo ng ano, power of... I will show you the real power of a pride. Papatay na po yung kaya. I will end this life. Abakil Pulse at take his bounty. I will kill you, Sophie. I didn't want to do this to you, but you made me do this. I will end you. Napaka mo ha, 16. Patay